Good evening, ladies and gents. Eli at Kingsbridge Performance 4x4 with another Range Rover for you. This time it's a stunning Fuji or White Range Rover Sport 2014 with around 65,000 miles. It's the 3-litre SDV6 or TDV6, sorry, with the Autobiography specification. And it's got the full black design pack, electric deployable side steps, 22-inch gloss black wheels, the red Brembo brake calipers. Looks fantastic. There's the huge red Brembo calipers, the 22-inch wheels, the correct continental cross-contact tyres on. About 4 or 5 mil of tread on there, so plenty to go. Deployable side steps here. And again, the same cross-contact. This one's got a bit more, so about 6 mil of tread. This is the Autobiography, so it's got keyless entry and exit and start. On all the doors, you can just touch them to lock it or unlock it. Privacy glass all the way around, gloss black mirrors, gloss black roof. On this particular one, gloss black vents on the bonnet and wings. The LED signature Range Rover daytime running lights look great. Gloss black fog lights, gloss black front tow eye cover and grille and lettering. Sorry about that flight. This has got the colour-coded front and rear bumpers and side skirts. Looks fantastic, this car, really, really nice. Don't expect it to hang around long. Lovely condition, full service history, 2 keys, full book pack. Only one former owner prior to the current chap who's had it pretty much from new. Power tailgate, huge boot with load space cover in place. This one's got the electronically deployable tow bar. Very good option to have for your cycle racks, trailers, etc. Underneath you've got the spare, space saver spare and toolkit. Excuse me. Inside the passenger compartment we've got backlit entry sill plates all the way around on all 4 doors. The best colour interior, which is the 2-tone light grey and charcoal. Looks fantastic. And that's mirrored on the doors as well. This one's got the 4-zone climate control, so you can individually set it for all 4 individuals. It's got heated rear seats as well. 12-volt sockets there. Sliding panoramic roof and white LED interior lights. It's also got the configurable ambient lighting, so you can make the lighting any colour you want. Meridian sound system, electric memory, heated seats. These are heated and cooled at the front. Multiple different adjustments here. Let's go around to the driver's side. I'll just check actually, these doors. No, they're not soft close. I was just checking to see if the doors are soft close, but they're not. It is an option. I think it's standard on the full-size Autobiography. Maybe not on the Sport. Same here, so you've got the controls, you've got power tailgate, you've got lower the suspension for easy access, power folding mirrors, memory settings. It's all there. Moving on to the inside, I'll press that again to close the boot. So you don't actually need to go out the car to close, you can just press the button again, it'll close it. Here you've got the fridge, keep your drinks cool, USB sockets and auxiliary port, cup holders, 2 keys, got the suspension adjust here, and of course all your different terrain driving modes, including dynamic, which then changes everything to red here if you're going in full on sport mode. Press that back in. Handbrake there. your seats here. So if you look on that, you've got heated front and cooled, and on the rears you've got heated. You've got the heated windscreen as well, with the elements in the window for quick clearing on frosty days. The steering column, power adjust. Heated steering wheels, you can see here, it's lovely and warm. Adaptive cruise control, very, very good feature to have. This controls your menu settings and media, phone, voice control, etc. Got the flappy paddles here, automatic lights, automatic wipers, of course. And then through here you've got your dimming rear view mirror, your blind and opening. This is the sliding pan roof, not the fixed one, which is the best one. You've got the alcantara headlining. Moving on to the main screen, you can obviously select your different audio video to be displayed. If you go to your extra features, you can see there you've got the ambient lighting that you can configure in different colours. You've of course got navigation, and of course you've also got your phone. So everything that you want on this car. There's your stop start button. Really, really nice example. Highly recommended, folks. There's your backlit entry sill plate and your deployable side steps. That is pretty much it, guys. That's our 2014 Range Rover Sport Autobiography, 3-litre diesel. It's a great example, priced it very competitively. If you would like a finance quote, delivery or warranty, then please do give us a call, an email or a text. We're more than happy to go through that with you. We do offer warranty from only $399 for 6 months, and obviously all of competitive finance options and delivery nationwide to your door from as little as £1.50 a mile. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and we will see you on the next video. Good night.